Nizim Africa, sanibonani dumelang absheni and hello. This is Dr. Oti, the Oracle of God, Inkosi Yamatongo, the greatest dibia of the African continent, Ikehla Lamakehla. Sawbona, dumela, absheni and hello. Kiaurata, ngiyakuthanda, futhi ngiyakuhlonipha. Ngwaneso, ngithanda ukubonga wonke ama-followers wenyanga yompedi TV. Inyanga yompedi TV has been there, I think now something like 4 years or 5 years. I was that person of which I was marketing my work, marketing whatever thing which I'm doing over the radios, via the radios, Mukozi FM, Teta FM, Lesedi FM. I've been on many radios, the SABC radios. Many of them I've been marketing my work. But ever since ngangena ku YouTube, oh my God, ngiyabonga. I have many followers. I have people of which they are submissive under my rule. I have people of which they understand Dr. Oti. They know Dr. Oti. They even feel sympathy and pain whenever umangine inkinga umangibachela abantu bami kunje. So ngiyabulisa, sawubona, dumela, absheni and hello. Namhlanje ngithi kuwena ake ngikhulume ngetikoloshi yemali, thokolosi yachelete. Thokolosi yachelete. Itikoloshi yemali, itikoloshi yini na? Itikoloshi yinto esikhanda ngemithi. Umfana osimkhanda ngemithi. Akekho umuntu ongakutshela ukuthi ukuyabona itikoloshi kuyinto emfisha engaka eyenza inenza ngamehlo akhe enyama. Lento sikhanda ngemithi, ivuke lento. Uma lento ivuka, lento ivuka imfisha. Why lento le ivuka imfisha na? Ngoba amakhubalo esikhanda utikoloshi ngawo, amakhubalo angekho made ngesimilo. Utikoloshi, it is not any kind of animal. Thokolosi asintsha, hasipere, hasipudi, hasikatsi, hasi-ini. But yinto esikhanda ngamayeza, ngemithi ihlahla ezingayi phezulu. Omunye umuntu angayibuza ukuthi makuthiwa umhlaba uyalingana kukhulunywa ngani? Umhlaba uyalingana isihlahla. Umhlaba uyalingana isihlahla. Kunesihlahla okuthiwa umhlaba uyalingana. Ihlahla zakhona zikhula ziwu-3 endaweni eyi-1. Ziba ngaka kube singaka. Kuthiwa umhlaba uyalingana. Umhlaba uyalingana was named under from those trees, from those plants ukuthi namhlanje abantu benza ngathi abazazi. Yingakho uma kuthiwa inyanga ikwamhlaba lingana ibisatshwa, ibihlonishwa. Asikho isangoma, akekho umakhosi onamandla ongazanga emhlaba lingana. Ejozini ngihamba ijozini in and out. Umhlaba lingana ngathi uma ngidla intwaso ngahamba ngadlela intwaso emhlaba lingana. Ngoba kunento ekade ngimbathiswa, kunento ebekade ngithwaliswa, kunento ebekade ifakwa kumina. Manje uma umuntu, hawule muntu ubatla matla, ubatla bophelo, ake uthole utikoloshi. Lo tikoloshi wemali uyamthuma wena. Ngunika nje amabhodlela amathathu, 3 bottles. Lama bhodlela amathathu aphuza ubisi each and every night. I repeat, lama bhodlela amathathu aphuza ubisi each and every night. Uma ungaphuzanga ubisi mkhulu akwenzakala nix. Lolu bisi uyaqhitha ulifake entweni ulishiye somewhere. Bese uyawatshela ukuthi ubisi lenala lapha. Ayaya lapho lamabhodlela lamadoda lawa afika aphuze ubisi. Wena ngamahlo enyama uzobona nje ukuthi amabhodlela hayi otikoloshi bemali. Lo tikoloshi ufuna kwenzele ini na? Ufuna imali ibe khona empilweni yakho? But what I know ukuthi your bank limit will change. Your bank limit will take a transformation of which you've never even imagined in your life. Your bank balance will just become something else. Your bank kuzoba into ongakazuyibona. Ngikuma ngotikoloshi wemali. Utikoloshi wemali wenza imanga, because umfana othanda ukusebenza. Lo mfana lo uyathanda ukusebenza. Uyabona ngihleli kanje ngena amakholi ngala, kungena amakholi nangala. Amakholi angena ngapha nangapha. Ama client afuna lento engikhuluma ngayo kuyimanje. Thola utikoloshi wemali. Zama imali 25,000 uzongibona. lo tikoloshi ngiyokunika yena uyosebenza ngaye. Uzomuzwa mekhuluma ngoba uyaprotector, uyakhuluma, uyakutshela ukuthi uzibani nozibani ubaqaphela bekho right. Uyakhuluma ukuthi into esona so akusiyona, uyakutshela ukuthi into ekanje nakanje akusiyona, yenza kanje kuze kube nje. Iyakhuluma le ndoda. So njengoba usemakhaya kuyimanje ubheka umfazi emihlweni, niyahlupheka. Akekho umuntu uthanda ukuhlupheka. Akekho umuntu othanda ukuthi impilo yakhe ibe nzima. Akekho umuntu othanda ukuhamba ngeenyawo. Mina I can tell you at this moment, imoto enginazo because of benginemoto ezu-12 ngithengise 3. Kusele ngakhe? Hawunani? Ha? Ngoba imoto ezikhona la egcekeni kuyimanje la ekhaya ziwu-9. Lezi imoto eziwu-9 ngifila ungathi zinqane. At least ngifuna lezi imoto zibe u-40 noma 50. Ngoba angithande ukuhamba ngeenyawo. Angithande ukuhlupheka. Angizwani nenhlupheko mina. Inhlupheko ngiyayinyeza, ngiyayinyanya, ngiyayithuka, ngiyaqalekisa. Angithande ukuthi mina ngihlala endlini ukuthi kuyabanda, kuyimanje it's winter. When it's winter like this, you need a comfortable home, a warm home. Warm home for your kids, warm home for yourself, warm home for your family. Angeke uhlale endaweni utla wahlupheka, uyahlupheka. Bese u feel comfortable under inhlupheko. Kusuke kuna something wrong la. The Pharaoh says in your mind, kusuke kuna something wrong la. Really? You can never adjust on poverty. You can never feel good and feel relaxed on poverty. Huh? Right now I'm building indlu. Le ndlu engiyibuildayo, I won't lie. Isendaweni yaseWakaville. Ngibuilda indlu, it's about something like 2.5 million. Le ndlu the house itself, it's about 2.5 million. Then afterwards, I'm not talking about, I bought that plot by something like 1.5 million. I built a wall right through the plot and I cover charity something like 1,000. It is 1.7 hectares. Ibonda lakho online something like 900,000. So you can say 1.5 million plus 900,000. It is 2.4. 2.4 plus 2.5 M in Yakayo, which is how much? It is 2.4 plus 2.5, which is 4.9. 4.9 M. It's a house of which I built a much because of ngaqalekisa inhlupheko. Qalekisa umoya wenhlupheko. Qalekisa umoya wenhlupheko. Qalekisa. Do not feel comfortable under poverty. Do not feel comfortable under poverty. Ngicela uzele ekhaya uzolanda itikolo shemali. Uphathe imali engange 25,000. Uphathe indwangu emhlophe 2 meter. Uzele ekhaya. Uzolanda itikolo shemali izokusebenzela lento. Ngunika amabhodlela awu3. La mabhodlela awu3 ngunika la madoda awu3 ayokusebenzela. Manje amabhodlela, you won't understand. Ngunika amadoda amathathu. And ngunika amadoda atshontshayo into okudlala ayayitshontsha imali. Utshontsha kanjani? Kuphina kanjani? Uzale ekhaya uzozwa wena. 0792942557. Use that number for calls. Use that number for WhatsApp. The 076 number was spent to WhatsApp because of WhatsApp. It has never seen a number. Message. Call me. Book 1,000 rand. Get to us.